How many times have we sat in a truck this trip during lightning storms?
Quite a few, and this time there's hail.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
Oh God.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Good morning from Kodachrome Basin State Park.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met? Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can get. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment, I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? That feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. I'd like to fall asleep beside you on your bed.
It has been an adventure this week as we have been out camping in southern Utah and northern Arizona. We had to shorten our trip at Toro Weep because bad weather had moved in, and the joke about that going out there to the Toro Weep overlook is you need 4 spare tires to make it down that road, don't you think? That's the roughest road that we have ever been on.
If you still got the time, I'd like to stick around. I'll make some coffee, let's take a walk down to the sea. As the sun goes down, we light a fireplace, and we can stay as long as we want to.
They're called sedimentary pipes. I don't remember. See my hat? Happy camper.
This one's just about my height.
Just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I like to be with you. Forever in this state of happiness with you. Forever in this state of happiness with you.
I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky.
This is the kind of problems we've been facing all week long on our camping trip, is these late afternoon thunderstorms that roll in that create some flash flooding and that creates some freak.
You know I'm here to stay every single day.
There. Now hold it. why they still remain or what the forget it. Let's try this again.
Feel so lucky, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars.
Every night we've been out this week, or afternoon, there have been thunderstorms and flash flooding.
And hail.
And hail. So we have had to go with the flow and make some changes here and there, and make sure you check out our video from the wave. Camping here at Kodachrome is really nice. The campgrounds are really nice. You can reserve ahead of time off recreation.gov, and it's a family-friendly park. They have some nice trails that are great for families, kids, and some beautiful scenery. We've had a great time this week as we have traveled quite a bit across the southern part of Utah. And be sure to watch our videos from the wave and Toro Weep Overlook, the Grand Canyon National Park.
We've been everywhere.
Yeah, we haven't been everywhere.
We've had lots of fun.
We've had a great week. So stay tuned for our next adventure.
Bye.
Through the